Hello, friends, and welcome back. This is the third and final uh, video of my journey. In my previous video, I did talk about a brief on how I came about into this journey of, as a limiting belief clearing practitioner, life coach, as well as Ho'oponopono certified practitioner. Let me tell you in brief on how I, came about getting into this. So it was 2 years back, almost 2 years back, when I was undergoing the chemotherapy sessions, and I was meditating. That while meditating, I had this thought about, what could I do in order to help people come out of their stress, their problems, and I need to find a way to do that. And as I was thinking of this, I don't know how to explain this, but then there was a sudden surge of energy in my body, and I felt that yes, this is possibly the right path, and that was a moment of awakening for me. So I consulted one of my friends who is a tarot reader, astrologer herself, and all she told me was, Tanmay, welcome to my world, and you are destined to, help people, and that was a sign to you. So, but however, there will be, it could take time. There will be guidance that will come to you, and when the time is right, on how to proceed and what to do and what not to do. So, what she said was true, because almost 1.5 years after that, to 2 years, I only had that thought at the back of my mind, and I kept telling my wife, that I want to do something to help people, and that's what I want my mission and my ultimate goal to be in life. But it was not before this 2020 that things started falling in place for me, and I somehow received some guidance. And I since I wanted to reach in mass people rather than just doing one-to-one sessions, I then took about learning about the online business, and how it works, and how I can reach out to more and more people. And after doing that, I also realized that just having my personal experience is not going to touch upon people and help people. What helped me may not necessarily help others. So I need to enhance my skills and enhance the tools and techniques if I really wanted to help people. And that's when I got into various certification programs. So I did the basic, clearing technique certification course. Then I did the advanced certification course for belief clearing. I also did my life coach certification, and then I specifically delved into the whole Ponopono technique, which resonated with me, and I felt I need to learn more on that, and that's what exactly I did. And these are all the certifications that I got, and then started my journey, where I then took all this learning and my personal life experiences, and developed two courses online, which are now available on my website, which is www.tonmoy hyphen sharma sharma.com. You'll find the courses out there, and they're extremely reasonably priced, because since I was just launching, I've given off 75% off on the first course, and about 60% off on the second course. So it would be a great learning for you all, as well as for your family and friends who may be in some sort of stress or the other. And my aim is to help these people come out of this mindset, have a stronger mindset, change their beliefs, and let them know that they are responsible for their own beliefs. They can alter the beliefs. themselves and lead a life which they desire and manifest whatever they want into their lives. So a lot of people do try, manifesting things, but they're not successful simply because there are limiting blocks or beliefs uh, which are hidden deep into their subconscious mind and which need to be cleared before they can attract or manifest anything into their life. So this is a long drawn process, and yes, people who have taken my course, I have given their testimonials on my website as well, and it has benefited them. So hence they've given those testimonials. So I urge all of you to, have a look, and if it resonates with you, do take up the course. There are a lot of clearing techniques amongst both the courses that I have developed, since not necessary that one particular technique would only resonate with one person. It may not resonate with another person. Hence, there are number of techniques that have been discussed and explained along with examples, so that it's easier for people to understand and practice and follow. So, thank you very much for watching this final episode on my journey, and I hope that you do visit my website, as well as take up the courses or help or advise other people who you feel need help and can benefit from these courses. Thank you all once again, and cheers.